Jacqueline Jose o mas kilala sa pangalang Mary Jane Santa Ana Goc. Namatay dahil sa inatake ito sa puso sa loob ng kanyang tahanan sa lugar ng Quezon City. Nagbigay ng paunlak na statement ang anak ni Jacqueline Jose na si Andy Eigenman at si Mr. Gabby Eigenman sa naging sanhi ng pagkamatay ng kanilang ina. Matapos ang madamdaming interview sa GMA News, nakakalungkot mang isipin na yung iniidolo natin sa Batang Quiapo, kung saan gumaganap siya bilang isang matapang at mahusay na actress, na si Chief Espinas ay tuluyan ng namaalam sa totoong buhay at namatay. Si Jacqueline Jose sa edad na 60 Marso.2, 2024. Si Jacqueline Jose ay kinikilala bilang isang kauna-unahang Filipina na mahusay na actress noong 2016 na pinarangalan sa International Awarding Cannes Film Festival. Siya ay ipinanganak noong October.21, 1963. Lubos po kami nakikiramay sa pagpanaw ng isang mahusay at napakagaling na artista sa industriya ng showbiz. Mga kaalam mag-like, comment para sa suporta sa page ko na ito. Salamat.
The great sadness that I announce the untimely passing of my nanay, Mary Jane Goc, better known as Jacqueline Jose. At the age of 60, on the morning of March 2nd, 2024, due to a myocardial infarction or a heart attack. We'd like to thank everyone who has since extended their prayers and condolences to us as our family is trying to come to terms with this unfortunate incident. Please provide us the respect and privacy to grieve, and we hope this would put all the speculations to rest. We'd just like to say that her undeniable legacy will definitely forever live on through her work, through her children, grandchildren, and the many lives she's touched. As she herself, her life itself was her greatest